Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take ashwagandha powder with water. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogenic herb, celebrated for its ability to support overall well-being. Many people find that mixing it with water is the most straightforward and efficient way to consume it. This method helps your body absorb the beneficial compounds quickly, allowing you to experience its effects sooner. Let's dive into the simple steps to prepare your daily dose. First, you'll need to measure your ashwagandha powder. A typical dose ranges from 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, but always check your product's specific recommendations. Next, grab a glass and fill it with about 8 to 10 ounces of plain water. Room temperature water is usually best, as it helps the powder dissolve more easily without clumping. Avoid hot water, which can sometimes degrade certain compounds. Once you have your water and powder, simply add the ashwagandha powder to the glass of water. Stir it vigorously for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, ensuring the powder is completely dissolved and there are no lumps. You want a smooth, consistent mixture. For optimal absorption and effectiveness, it's generally recommended to drink this mixture on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning or before bed. Consistent use of ashwagandha can offer numerous benefits, including supporting stress reduction and promoting more restful sleep. Many users also report enhanced energy levels and improved cognitive function over time. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing these positive effects. While you're focusing on your well-being, don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.